Whoa, I won't let you go. No, 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 I said, oh, I won't let you go, go, go. We'll be sipping lemonade, we'll be fine. Don't worry about that time. Feeling out of place, but I don't mind. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to teach you how to play I Won't Let You Go by Boywithuke. This one is super easy, so I hope you guys enjoy learning it. And yeah, before we get to the chords, I just want to say, if you haven't seen his little live performance on Genius, you should go watch that because it's freaking awesome. And then I also want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers for those of you guys that didn't watch the last video. And if you haven't seen the last video, go watch it and let me know what you think we should do to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's get to the chords. All right, so there's 4 chords in this song, just like how his other songs usually are. And the first chord is a C major 7, which is just one finger on this bottom string, 2nd fret. The second string is a B7, which is borrowing this whole 2nd fret and then putting one finger, I use my middle finger, on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And the third chord that we do in this song is an E minor 7, which is this bottom string on the 2nd fret and then the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. And then the last and final chord is a D minor 7, which is just this whole 5th fret, that first one with the dot, all of those. So all together, it's that C major 7, B7, E minor 7, and then D minor 7. So let's go get to the strumming pattern in this song. All right, so the strumming pattern for this song is pretty simple. It's just a down, down, up, and then a mute. But you kind of want to, what's it called? A chuck, there you go. It's a down, down, up, chuck. So what a chuck is basically strumming, but having your hand on the string, so it makes that kind of scrape noise. You could just hit the strings, it's the same effect. So you could do the down, down, up, chuck. Or you can just do down, down, up, mute. But that's basically the strumming pattern. So it's down, down, up, mute, or down, down, up, chuck. Next chord, down, down, up, chuck, down, down, up, chuck. And then once you get to the last one, it's just down, down. So altogether, the first 3 are the down, down, up, chuck, down, down, up, chuck, down, down, up, chuck, down, 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 up, chuck, down, down, up, chuck, down, down, up, chuck. And it's just like that. It's a pretty simple song and it's pretty fun to play, so let's try and play it. Where do we go in the middle of June? Night is over, I mean, what could I do? These days I'm falling, these days I'm falling over you. Where do we go in the middle of June? Whoa, I won't let you go. No, 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 I said, oh, I won't let you go, go, go. We'll be sipping lemonade, we'll be fine. Don't worry about that time. Feeling out of place, but I don't mind. Feeling really cold in the mist of July, 'cause you're not by my side. I've been a mess, but I don't think you're mine. I hope to help you guys learn how to play I Won't Let You Go by Boywithuke. This one's a really fun one. It's one of his first that I knew of. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it helped. And I hope you guys know how to play this now. But yeah, make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what other songs you guys want me to do. And also, if you're interested, let me know. That way I know what and what not to post. But I'm going to be planning on posting my music on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. And then I'll also be doing like videos on here with it, and lyric videos and music videos if you guys are interested in that. So just let me know. All right, see you in the next one. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?